children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine after a long break, after the midterm exam. Now we are going to learn again English. The topic is tales from around the world, which we have did before. That is, we did the subtopic 1 to 4, and now we are going to continue again the same chapter, but the subtopic will be 5 to 10. Now the first one is abominable snowman. If you look at your book, you will find it at page 78. What is the meaning of abominable? Abominable means terrible, means a horrible one. Okay. Now, this story has a chapter. Do you know what a chapter is? A chapter is a part of a story that helps us to read the story jump. Now, I am going to read you the heading of the story. The first one, the very lazy boy. The second, the hidden cave. The third, the wishing stick. The fourth, the rotten trickster. The fifth, the beaten trickster. What do you notice here? First of all, when you see the heading, how I am writing, first you see how I am writing. What do you notice? Capital letters. If we write a story, we should write the heading, and the heading, it should start with the capital letters. And also the story setting, where the story takes place, that is called a story setting. So let me just highlight a little bit of the story abominable snowman. This boy, he was a very lazy boy. His mother got fed up of him. So mother, she's a very hard-working lady. So one day the mother, she wants him to go out and do some honest work. So what happened? The mother sent him out. So after that, Rame, while he was walking, he scared the shopper. You know who is this shopper? If you go to lesson 4, you will find the story of a shopper. Shopper is a wild monster who stays in a cave. So while walking, he tried to scare the shopper, which the shopper was lying in his cave, and Rame, he was sitting underneath the tree. So he tried to scare the shopper, but the shopper did not know anything. Shopper was very scared, and then he gives Rame a wishing stick. So Rame took the wishing stick, and on his way home, he met the knight. So he went to an old man, man. He stayed his night over there, and then he showed the wishing stick to this old man. Now the old man, what he did, he tried to trick him. When Rame went to sleep, the old man changed the wishing stick. So, but Rame did not know anything. When he got up in the morning, he just took the stick. He didn't know that the old man has changed the stick. So he went home. He told his mother that he got a wishing stick. But it did not work out because the old man, he already changed. So what happened? Rame, he got angry. He thought that shopper has tricked him, but not the shopper. It is the woodcutter. It is the old man. So what happened when he went to shopper? He said that you have tricked me. You have given me. It's not a wishing stick. It's something else. But the shopper, he knows that the old man tricked him, so he gave another wishing stick, which if anybody touched the wishing stick, that wishing stick, it will chase. So it happened like that. The old man, he touched the wishing stick, and then that wishing stick started chasing him, which Rame had to stop him. This is a little bit the highlight of the story. So in this story, we are going to learn the prefix. What is a prefix? A group of letters that we add to the beginning of a word, like and this. Okay, it is called prefix. Like for example, like. I like something else. I like to eat apple. Or I like my friend. But in the another word, it is a dislike. Like, dislike means it changed the meaning. It makes the opposite meaning. Another one, happy, unhappy, kind, unkind. So where is the prefix here? The prefix here is dis, and here un. Like, dislike, happy, unhappy, kind, unkind. Okay? Now we are going to see the next one, that is the joining words. Now we are going to learn joining words. What are joining words? The words because, but, so, and or, they are joining words. Now we have got Rame was a lazy boy. His mother was fed up with him. We have got two simple sentences. So how we will make into one sentence? We can make into one sentence by using a joining words. Like Rame was a lazy boy. You can use and or you can use so. And his mother was fed up of him. Next one, Rame was a lazy boy, so his mother was fed up with him. So these two simple sentences, after we use the joining words, it becomes one compound sentence. Okay? Now let's see to Yoshi the Stone Cutter by Becker. So when we see a story, always remember who is the writer of the story, which I have explained you before also. The writer of the story is Becker. So this story is a traditional story from Japan. This story is about a man called Yoshi who was a stone cutter. He lived in the mountain of Japan. He was a poor man with bent back. Okay? He delivered stones to people's house, and he was not happy of being very poor. So he wishes 5 different things. He wished to have a fine house, a big house. He wished to be a prince. He wished to be the sun. He wished to be the rock. And at last, all his wishes it just go on like that. He decided again to be a stone cutter again. And with that, he said that I'm happy with this, though I am poor also, but I'm happy with my own work. Okay? Now we are going to see the speech mark here. In this same chapter, there are many speech marks. Like for speech mark, this we have learned before also. Okay? Speech mark are these. These are called speech marks. Now, speech marks are marks that show when someone start and stop speaking. Like, oh, I wish I could be a rich man. Who said this word? Yoshi said this word. Okay? Oh, I wish I could be a rich man. Open inverted comma here, close inverted comma, said Yoshi. These are called speech marks. When a person starts speaking and when a person stops, there should be a speech mark. Oh, I wish I could be a rich man, said Yoshi. Now in this chapter again, we are going to learn about tense. In the past, you will remember the word ed. Ed. Okay, you will remember the word ed. When you see the word ed, means it's a past tense. If I say live, L-I-V-E, live is present. But if you see L-I-V-E-D, this is a past tense. Okay? If live, L-I-V, live is a present tense, but L-I-V-E-D, so E-D is there, is a past tense. So it happened, it already happened. So in this chapter, Yoshi the stonecutter, it is talking about the past tense, like long time, once upon a time. When is that time? Now if I say present is eat, and what will be the past tense? Ate. Present will say, the past will be said. Remember, okay? Present is today, now. Past is happened, is already happened, is finished, okay? It's yesterday. And the future, that is tomorrow, that is going to happen. So that's all for today, children. I hope that you will watch this video and you will go through your textbook and practice reading. Till then, I will see you in the next class. Thank you.